Hi, good afternoon. This is Alex from Internet Real Secret. Today, I would like to share with you about one of these trainings courses by Brandon's, right? This is called Secret Weapons, right? This course was released sometimes quite some times ago, but when I actually go through the list of the training course from him recently, I found this course is quite suitable for some of the newbies who is getting started to make money online, right? So that is the reason I'm making this video to introduce to you about this secret weapon in the case you have missed out this training course before. There are many reasons I feel this course is good for any newbies getting started to actually to make money online, right? So in this training course, it was stated in this sales page, the secret weapons. This by using this method is going to actually able to make you 367 per day, right? By using this secret weapons method, right? So in this method, the training course will actually share with you what are the free traffic they are using, right? And what are the paid traffic they are using, right? So the paid traffic is optional, right? But also this system is very newbie friendly because inside the training courses I'm going to share with you later is going to actually walk you through step by step how we can actually possibility to actually to make 300 per day, right? Using this method, right? So just scroll now. These are some of the result of outcome of this method they are actually using to make a lot of money from Jelly Joe or whatever, right? Okay, so I have pleasure to also to get you this offer for only $1. I think this is a regular supply, right? If you actually purchase this training courses, the original price, if you can see, the original price is the 12.95, right? So instead of 12.95, I had the pleasure to get this price for only $1. It's only through my link below this video. Just $1, you are going to get this complete training course, right? How to actually apply this secret weapons method, right? So in a nutshell, the method is a brand new method for taking tiny amount of time and money and turning it into a big daily profit. This is how a top marketer multiply the profit while working less time, right? So this basically is a proven blueprint how to actually all the marketers have been doing this to actually to make money online. So as a newbie, I'm sure it's going to bring a lot of benefit to you, right? In terms of how to actually start making money online, right? Using the right method, right? Step by step video training, right? Okay. So this best part of this is they don't need a list. So the best part of this secret weapon video training is that they say they don't need a list of product or any private experience to make money, right? So if you're a newbie, you don't have a list or you don't have experience to make money online, then this is a video training course you should pick up, right? Just for $1 only, right? For $1, you are getting the access for all these complete video training course, right? So this no brainer, right? Okay, so this 100% satisfaction guarantee, just $1. Just $1 is stated here. Just $1 if you get this through my link instead of 12.95, right? Okay. So I'm also would like to actually to walk you through in this member area. So once you purchase this secret weapons, you're going to come to this member area. So inside this member area on the left hand side, these are the trainings modules you're going to cover. It's talking about the overview. So in this overviews videos, Erik is he's a partner with Jono of Blendens. He's going to walk through with you what is blueprint, what is the process in this training course. And in terms of if you can actually click to it.
Alright, so this is going to be the overview video of the to put together. Now it might seem
So basically, he's going to walk through you these blueprints when you have a traffic come from Facebook solo app or Bing app. The traffic will come to a opt-in page which will a free product, giveaway product. And when when the person opt in, so it will go to a thank you page against the thank you page. and on the offer in the thank you page, they will actually purchase the offer in the thank you page and you make money. On the other hand, there's a sequence of email you actually need to actually set up together as part of this whole funnel of the sales funnel. So from the email, you're going to make more sales from here. Freebie access. So this is a whole blueprints, a whole process flows. You should actually Erik will be actually teaching you in this complete video training course under this the secret weapons, right? So again, there are tools to use to set up all these different opt-in page, thank you page, right? He also walk you through and how to pick the right offer, right? How to craft your first course, free course, freebie, give away free course and freebie as part of the bonuses. Your perfect thank you page, how to also overall build a special opt-in page. So everything Erik showed in this so-called process map, he's going to walk you through how you can actually set this up step by step, right? So that is a really comprehensive video training course, yeah, for newbie. Also, apart from that, he's also teach you how to add the targeting preset into the page, right? Right, this retargeting preset you can actually capture the hidden info of the visitor, and you can again retarget it back using so-called Google app or any others retargeting method, right? Okay, so the more important part is Erik will actually walk you through complete how to set up email sequences, how to write a proper email for day 1, day 2, day 3 from the multiple angle, right? So he's going to walk you through everything from 0 to 100, from the moment the visitor opt in to your opt-in page until the visitor, you start sending email to follow up until, and also make sales, right? Okay, so there's some free traffic method from Epi Solo Ad. Okay, he's going to actually walk you through as part of this complete course, and getting traffic with Bing app, right? Concurrency, talking about concurrency, about the sales page and also the impact landing page, everything. Also the case study, 255 like case study with 100 free traffic. So how we actually apply this method with the free traffic and make 255. So case study, everything is here. So there is what the secret weapons training course is going to actually to teach you. It's an end-to-end blueprints. It's a solution. I think this is the best so far for any new beginners or for any newbies looking for to make money online and you don't know how to get started. Then this is the secret weapon is a course I would actually recommend you to pick it up. And just for $1, my special price. My special price via me only. For $1, you're going to get all these complete course, live training course, case study, and free training course. Imagine what can you do with $1, but with $1 you can actually get access to this full blueprints with practical method training course to walk you through how you can actually get started to make money online with the affiliate product. Thank you very much, and that is a little bit about my sharing about these secret weapons, right? So this is a limited offer for $1. I'm sure this is original price of $12.95. Okay, so you can pick up this training course via others thing on the normal sales page, but it's in Wonder Plus. But you're not going to get this price of $1. It's only through my link today. You are getting this for $1 only. Sure. Thanks a lot and have a nice day. Bye bye.